I really need to trim my beard, bro. What's going on, guys? Unreunited here. My name is Caesar. And if you don't know who I am, that means you never heard of this channel before, because I'm in every single video. So make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't. And also give this video a thumbs up. And we're gonna go on with the video. And today's video is going to be a random unboxing with Unreunited episode 2. Each episode or each video that is random unboxing with Unreunited will contain links down in the description below, so you can get yourself whatever whatever we're showing off in this video. So in this video is going to be something related to sneakers. Now, last video was Dubon's unboxing his tire repair kit. He was like, hey, let's make a video. So we did, and it went pretty good. I like how the video went. So if you haven't watched that video, make sure you watch it. Give that video a thumbs up. We're gonna do this one real quick. We're trying not to make these videos as long, so you can just like watch it and get straight to the point of the item. Like I said, I will provide links in the description below if you're interested in purchasing this item. Like the tire repair kit, I put the link in the description of the exact one that we showed off. And this one is going to be a little different, since this shoe is a little bit more limited. You really can't find it at retail stores like Adidas or Foot Locker. So you're gonna have to go with the aftermarket websites, which is like Goats and StockX and whatever other aftermarket place they have. So here is the box. I'm not going to show the front because it has my address. I do not want you to know where I live. Kind of crushed up a little bit, but let's just hope the box isn't bad. So I ordered these on Foot Locker. It's from Adidas. It's an Adidas shoe. I didn't get it from the Adidas website because I do not like buying shoes from Adidas. I will make a video discussing why I do not like shopping in Adidas. One related to them losing my package. One related to the stupid waiting room that they have whenever like Yeezys drop or shoes like these drop. Foot Locker, I just went straight to the checkout and that's it. I didn't have to wait in line. I didn't do nothing. So I'm gonna show you the shoe right now. So as you can see, we have a few items. Well, just one item. It's like a paper. So this came with the package. There's a little coupon code. It's a coupon of saving $20 on your next purchase of $120 or more. So if you want this code, let me know down in the description below, or just hit me up and I'll give you the code, because I'm really not gonna use it. If someone needs it, I'll give it to you. Open the box. Ooh, why do they look big though? They look big. I'm gonna open this right now. Editor, please put the wow sound effect. So look, yeah, see? They have some extra pair of laces. That's the first thing I saw. So I'm gonna just take out the shoe. You're going to see close-ups of the shoe, and you will see on foot as well, but later in this video. Alright, so I never owned a pair of NMDs or a pair of human race NMD. You can see right here, it says species on the top, stitched black on black with some reflective lacing. In the back it says HU or huh. The bottom is a gum sole. Now first, when I saw this sneaker, like the very first time I saw the sneaker on Instagram, I liked it, but then I didn't like it because of the gum sole. But then I saw pictures on feet and I thought they looked nice, and it just pops to me. You know, a triple black one would be nice, but this, it kind of makes the shoe pop to me. Now on the other one, it says Infinite on the top, black on black. You will see it on the screen right now, and just pretty much you're just gonna see pretty much everything of the shoe, the whole 360 of the shoe, I guess. And yeah, it just, and the insole, you can't really see it, but it just says Pharrell Williams, Adidas, pelvis, and it says the size tag right here on the left side. They also provide some extra laces, some gray ones, but I think with the black ones, I think it'll do good with the black ones. So like you can see from afar, it kind of reflects. Since I have the lighting behind the camera, you can kind of see like the 3M marks right here. I mean, overall, this is a nice looking shoe. I like it very much. Now, the prices of this shoe retail, it was $220. If you know about Pharrell NMD, the older models, they were $250 retail. But for some reason, this pack, because this one came with 3 other colorways. I think it was like a pink one or a white one and a yellow looking one. This pack, it costed $220 retail. So I don't know why they dropped the price, but I'm happy that they did. Right now, I think resale, I don't think it goes for that much. You know, I got it from Foot Locker. Adidas, they sold on Adidas, they sold on Foot Lockers. I don't know where else you can find it in retail, but if you want, I will put in the link in the description below you know, other places where you can purchase this shoe. However, you might pay a little more than $220 aftermarket prices, you know. And if they have any in stock in retail price, because I remember a few days ago, like a few days after this shoe drop, I checked Foot Locker and they restocked on a few sizes, like 8, 8.5, and 9.5, I think. And I told my friend because he wanted some, and on the release day he didn't get them because something about his card or whatever. And then I told him that they restocked some sizes. He got himself a pair. You're welcome, brother. But yeah, if I can find a website that sells these for retail, I will put it down, the link in the description below. They also have different colorways, and I will put them on the screen right now so you can see which ones they are. I'm gonna put all 4 of them. But yeah, other than that, I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of the shoe. The prime knit is A1. The shoelaces is A1. I love that the 3M hits. So now I will provide a on feet right now. Cue the music and cue the fucking... Yeah, these, man, I'm telling you, bro, they are absolutely beautiful. Infinite Species, almost all black. It's a triple black almost, except for the gum, but the gum doesn't really bother me. I think it looks really nice. It hits, it pops. If you're interested in a pair, I will put links in the description, like I said, like 3-4 times already. Now for me, I think I will keep this as a personal because, one, not a lot of resale. I don't really care because I wanted this shoe for the personal in the first place. If you wanted to buy this shoe to resell, I don't think it would give you as much profit. The links I put in the description below, I suggest you look at all of them so you can see which one is cheaper priced on your size. You can find your size cheaper on GOAT, or you can find your size cheaper on StockX, or whatever other link I will put in the description. Compare the prices first. But yeah, guys, the PHARRELL NMD's Infinite Species colorway, aka triple black, almost triple black with gum sole. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this shoe. I think this shoe is beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you like these random unboxing videos, make sure you comment down below that you want to see more of these types, because I have other stuff on the way to unbox and to review as well. I want the series to keep going. You know, like I said, it's going to be completely random items that we buy online that's worth reviewing, such as the tire repair kit, and then the shoes. You know, they're completely random. You know, we're talking, the first one is about cars, this one's about sneakers. Like, you know, it's kind of like a random. And if you like, I know people out there like unboxing videos, so, you know, this is for you guys that like random unboxings or just unboxing videos in general. I'm trying to bring sneaker related videos in this channel. Not too much, but you know, every now and then I'll probably make a sneaker video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Also follow the social medias. I will probably take a fire pick with these shoes on, bro. I don't want to keep you guys here too long, so once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Unreunited signing out. Peace.